Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. So this is Scalper tool version 2.1. Before I show the performance of this Scalper tool, let me give a quick introduction about it. Basically, it is a second by second chart with the buy signal and the sell signal. So you can see this is the Banknifty future price and this is the Nifty future price. It gets updated every second and it is represented as a white color line chart. And you can see this green color background is the buy signal and this red color background is the sell signal. You basically buy at the starting of the green color and exit when the red color background is appearing, and again you are selling at the starting of the red color, and as soon as you see the green color background you can exit your sell position and initiate the buy position. This is a real-time indicator. There is no lagging. Since it is second by second, there is no way of repainting any signal. So you can see the live performance here, and let me tell you all the components present here. This is the Nifty call and put IV. Like I told, this is the Nifty future price. This is a global index. Mostly our market follows global price. So it is a combination of Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Nikkei, DAX, etc. And this is Banknifty future price. This is India VIX that is updated live, and this white color bar is the volume of all the heavyweight stocks, future, etc. And this is the Banknifty call and put IV. This IV is a combination of 6 OTM option and 1 ATM option, and this white color vertical line is the end of 1 minute candle. This is the starting of the 1 minute candle and this is the ending of 1 minute candle. Basically, in the traditional candlestick chart, between 1 minute you will see only open eye, low close, something like this. But in the second by second chart, from year to year, whatever happens you can see. For example, here the green signal was there was some up movement, and after the red signal, this is the price has fell down. So basically you can see the up move and the down move that is happening inside the candlestick. So yeah, that's it for the introduction. Now let me show you the performance of the Scalper tool. Basically I have set up sample paper trading here. So whenever the green is appearing here, it will sell the put option and buy the call option. As you can see, it is happening here. You can see it has sold the put option. The signal is up, it has sold the put option here. So it is sold for 148 rupees with the stop loss of 3 points, and it brought the call option for the 218 rupees with the stop loss of 3 points. So the another benefit of Scalper tool is you can keep just 3 point stop loss for the options under 250 rupees or 300 rupees. You can see we are already getting 50 point profit in this buy signal. You can see one more thing you can notice is the option buying has given more profit. Both are ATM, but if you see, the call option buying has given 70 points profit, whereas put option selling has given only 16 point or 15 point profit. That is because the IV. So that is why I always tell that IV is very, very important. Since the IV is increasing, it is beneficial only for option buying. If the IV is increasing, it is very bad for option selling. So to decide between whether you have to do option buying or option selling, you can use the IV factor. So let me show you another example. So when we get till we get the red signal, you can continue to hold on to this buying position. Previously here we had some small signal, but since we have stop loss kept here, this both buy and sell of call and put has been exited with 9 points stop loss, but here we got 90 points profit. Now we will be closing this position as soon as we get the red color here. As you can see here, this 2 position has been closed and fresh position of call option selling and put option buying has happened. Now if you notice, the call option you sold is giving more profit compared to the put option you brought, because whenever the IV is increasing due to some reason, that IV will again crash when the reverse is happening. Right now the market went up, the IV has increased, so when the market is falling, the IV has to fall down ultimately. So this is how you got to do the scalping. You watch the scalper tool for 2 or 3 minutes. Whenever the IV is increasing for the market going up, you should do option scalping in only call option buying. And whenever the IV is increasing and when the market is falling, you should do scalping in option buying of put option only. Right now in this situation, it is ideal only to buy the call option on the market going up and selling the call option when the market is going down, because in the current scenario the IV is increasing when the market is going up and the IV is crashing when the market is falling down. You can see the call option we sold is given 46 points, whereas the put option we brought is given only 14 points. So but this is a rare scenario, but mostly only when the market is falling down the IV will be increasing. But today reverse is happening, but anyway we will continue. Again we got the green color signal here. The call option, ATM call option has been brought with the average price of 258 with the stop loss of just 3 points, that is 254. The stop loss was not it, and like I told here, again the call option buying has given more profit, around 24 points. And as soon as we got the red, it has been closed, and the put option that has been sold has given only 10 points profit. And again here the red is happening, the call option has been sold and the put option has been brought with the 3 point stop loss. So when also there are certain situations where you should avoid using the scalper tool. The scalper tool give this kind of performance only when the average candle size, you can see this is the high and this is the low. So this average height of the candle should be greater than 25 or 30. If it is greater than 30, it is very good, it will give very good performance. So to find the average candle height, you can use this indicator called ATR, that is average true range. It will give the average candle size of the past 14. You can change this. If you change this to 5, it will give the average candle size of the past 5 candles. You can in my experience you can keep 14 here, and if the value is above 25, you can start scalping. So you can see the live performance since I started recording this video. These are all the performance. This was successful. This was stop loss was hit here, 3 points. This 3 signal was successful. This one's stop loss was hit. Even though we keep 3 point stop loss, due to some slippage we may lose 1 or 2 points, etc. Again all these calls were successful. Again we have the buy signal, green color here. Here we brought the call option and sell the put option. So yeah, that's it guys. This is the live performance of Scalper tool version 2.1. Since I started recording this video, when the green color signal is started, I brought the call option with 3 point stop loss and sold the put option with 3 point stop loss. It will be exited when the stop loss was hit or when the next red color signal appears. And similarly I done the same for the red color signal. After 15 minutes it has given around 300 points profit. This is very extraordinary because right now the Banknifty movement was very violent and the average candle size was above 35. So you cannot scalp all the time. When the market is flat or if the candle size is lesser than 20, lots of stop loss will be hit. Always scalp only when the average candle size is greater than 30 if you are beginner. If you are experienced, you can even scalp when the average candle size is greater than 25. To get Scalper tool, you can Google it. I will be in the first result, tradingtoolx.com. Please create an account and you can contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The links are given in the website itself, also in the description of this video. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you. See you in next video.